Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe I found this. A Lego vending machine. This is so cool. Alright, let's check out how this machine works. Alright, here are the instructions. And we can browse what products, what sets this machine has by age range, or all products, or by themes. That's neat. I think the prices are higher than the usual MSRP though. But hey, this is at the airport, so this is a great last-minute gift idea. If you somehow forgot to buy souvenirs for your loved ones from your trip, I guess they're getting Legos.